Good morning. I'm David Bolenbaugh, CPA. I also have a CGMA, which is a Chartered Global Management Accountant designation, which deals with international type issues. I also hold a master's degree in taxation. I know a lot of you guys know this already in the group, but for our newer members and visitors today, thank you for being here. And what I want to talk about today is the who, what, and why. Okay, so who are we, what do we do, and why do we do it? So I'm keeping it pretty simple today. So who are we? Well, obviously we're the best CPAs in the world. Everybody knows that. At least the ones that work with us. So if you don't work with us, then you probably should. So a little bit about our firm. Our firm has been around in one form or another since about 2013. Back then it was called Doyce and Cantfield. And then about 2 years ago, we changed the name to Doyce and Bolenbaugh CPAs, since I was kind of moving into the ownership partnership role. And we have 6 total individuals within our firm, my partner and myself. We also have 4 other staff members that help us prepare the tax returns, serve our clients. Again, if you're our client, then you've probably been contacted by one of these individuals at one point in time throughout our engagements. And we are a CPA firm, so we're not just an accountant, and there are differences between just an accountant and a CPA firm. So CPA firms are a little bit a step above just an accountant. We can do a lot of things that accountants cannot do, like signing a tax return under a CPA firm. You know, a lot of accountants, they can prepare a tax return, but maybe there's some quality standards or ethical standards that they don't have to comply with. As a CPA firm, we have to comply with certain ethical and standards that require us to do things a little better. And there's certain knowledge standards as well, such as CPAs have to go through 40 hours of continuing education that regular accountants don't have to do. And we really like to be partners with our clients. You know, I always like to say that we don't want to just be accountants that are standing or sitting in a back room, you know, punching numbers into software. We really want to be proactive with our clients and plan ahead with our clients, be partners with our clients so that they can achieve their goals. And lastly, you know, we really want to be the firm of tomorrow, not the firm of yesterday. We want to use technology and other ways to reach clients and inform clients that are ahead of the curve rather than falling behind and just copying what some other firms might be doing. So what do we do? So on a surface level, we provide specific tax services like tax preparation, advanced tax planning for different tax planning strategies. We offer consulting in the areas of tax, whether it's selling a piece of real estate or you've received, inherited an IRA from, say, a family member or a spouse or something like that. We can cover a wide variety of issues and consult on certain tax matters. And we also help quite a bit with IRS and state resolution. If you receive a tax notice or a letter from the IRS, we can help navigate those situations. If you have an IRS audit, we can help resolve those as well. I mentioned already, but we do try to be very proactive with our clients, offer proactive advice. And beyond just the actual services, you know, that we do, we're really problem solvers. So clients all the time will come to us with certain issues, situations that they've encountered that now they need help with resolving. For instance, selling a real estate property, what's the tax effects of that? So that's really why clients are coming to us, is to get answers to their problems. And we provide custom solutions to their problems that impact their decisions, real world decisions. Even though a lot of what we're doing may be a paper calculation, so maybe we're not necessarily building something with our hands like a building or putting things together, but it's more of a paper result, but at least to real world decisions of where maybe business wants to allocate their funds. Should they purchase equipment, or should they improve their office? Should they do other things that might benefit their business better than one than the other? So we really do try to make sure that we're offering customized solutions to our clients. And lastly, Why do we do it? Well, of course, we like to be gluttons for punishment, so that's really why we do it. The tax world is not the easiest field to be in. It can be pretty grueling, especially during tax season, working 10 to 12 hours a day for a couple months can be a little exhausting mentally and physically as well, just from having to focus on a computer 10 to 12 hours a day. It can take a toll on your eyes too. But really, it's a challenge. We take on clients typically that are somewhat complicated. We typically don't deal with clients that are just a W-2 employee that doesn't have anything else going on. Typically, our clients are complicated, where maybe they have a rental property, they have a business, maybe both, maybe they have multiple businesses, tiered structures, maybe 3 or 4 or more levels deep in how they're structured. So we can handle everything from simple to very complex issues, sale of businesses, as well as something that we deal with fairly often as well. And we really love helping clients achieve the best results. That's really our end goal here, is getting the best result that we can to save the most in taxes. And we think there's a lot of opportunity out there. There's a lot of preparers, a lot of other firms out there that aren't doing a great job, and I see it every day when I review tax returns that were prepared by maybe someone who is not a CPA, or some of these walk-in, walk-out type shops, that pop up during tax season. I won't name names, but you know who they are. And we believe that there's a better solution in working with us. We believe that there's a better result that can come out of it by working with us. And really, at the end of the day, we're here to provide value to our clients. We're not just here trying to take your money, charge some fees, and move along. We're here to really help our clients and add value through our services. And lastly, we really do try to focus on quality, and quality is kind of our number one priority, is making sure that we're putting a good product out the door, making sure we're saving clients as much as possible. And just briefly, some of the clients that we serve, this obviously isn't comprehensive, but it's a good kind of summary of some of the clients. So we serve a lot of doctors, attorneys, insurance agents, financial advisors, travel consultants, IT consultants, real estate agents, even some in the cannabis and marijuana industry. We have some AV professionals, restaurants, event coordinators, interior designers, yoga studios, digital marketers, the construction industry, retirement plan administrators, nonprofits, and of course, high net worth individuals, or I like to call them big money ballers, people with lots of money. Okay, so I'm out of time, so that's it. Thank you.